Are you struggling to get more views on your videos? Well, worry no more because today, I've got something special for you. ChatGPT. That's right, the AI-powered assistant that's here to take your YouTube game to the next level. If you are not convinced yet, wait until you see the last point. Also, I will leave the prompts in the description below. All you have to do is copy these prompts and leave a like on your way there. So, what exactly can ChatGPT do for you? Let me break it down. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI, and it's packed with features to help you optimize your YouTube content. It's like having a personal YouTube coach right at your fingertips. You may ask, how so? Well, let's start with what makes a good YouTube video. The amount of views you get depends on many things like the title, the thumbnail, keywords, upload time, and so on. At first, this might seem a lot of work to get it all right. Luckily, you're not on your own. ChatGPT can help you with this. Let me give you an example. ChatGPT can help you gain more views through its ability to generate engaging video titles and descriptions. As we all know, a catchy title and a compelling description can make all the difference in grabbing the attention of potential viewers. Together with ChatGPT, you can brainstorm and refine your titles and descriptions to make them more captivating and SEO-friendly, ultimately increasing your video's discoverability. Personally, I work as follows. I first write the script of my video, and once this is finished, I ask ChatGPT if it can write 3 YouTube titles for this script. Now you have 3 great titles you can choose from. You can even try one of them, and after some time, you can try another one and see if it performs better. Once you have a title, you can do the same for the description. For the description, you can utilize things like persuasive speech, and you can even make the description easier to understand by asking ChatGPT to give a description that is understandable for someone with a 10th grade reading level. Besides a good title and a description, you can also provide tags for your video. This can be a lot of work if you manually have to search for good tags. But luckily we can just ask ChatGPT to give us the 25 most relevant YouTube tags for your script. If you ask it in a full text, separated by commas, you can just copy and paste these 25 tags in the upload zone on YouTube. Now, what else can we do? Well, once the viewer pressed on your video because he or she became interested by the thumbnail and/or title, you have about 8 seconds to convince them that this video is for them. So if you are not sure that the intro you have written is good enough, you can always ask ChatGPT and see what it comes up with. Maybe it can help inspire you to write a great hook for your video. And this logic doesn't only apply to the intro. Additionally, ChatGPT can help enhance your video scripts by providing natural-sounding dialogue and scripting assistance. Whether you're scripting a tutorial, a vlog, or a product review, ChatGPT can offer suggestions to make your content more engaging and polished, helping you keep your audience hooked from start to finish. You can even ask it to rewrite certain parts so that they are easier to understand. Now all these nice little tricks can help you to make your videos better. But what if you don't have any inspiration at the moment? What if you're unsure about what your next video should be about? ChatGPT can assist you by providing content ideas and suggestions. Struggling to come up with fresh and exciting topics for your next video? Simply input your niche or topic of interest into ChatGPT and let it generate a plethora of ideas to inspire your content creation process. Whether you're a beauty guru, a gaming enthusiast, or a tech reviewer, ChatGPT has got you covered. Well, there you have it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.